Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small from CMS Law Firm, and I'm excited to be here with you tonight, live from Snowmageddon Part 3. This is the beginning of the end. School's already been canceled tomorrow. It's probably going to be canceled on Tuesday. It's probably going to be canceled on Wednesday. It's insanity. But we're still here. And today, or tonight, I guess, I wanted to take a second to answer or respond to a listener question. I'm always open to talking about what you all want to know about. So if you ever have a question, you can just send a message here to the page and I will get it. And I'll respond to you and I'll tell you if I can answer it. And if I can, I will likely hop on here and answer it for you because typically what I found is if one person is asking this question or thinking about a question, multiple people are thinking about or asking about this question. And if you want to know more, I put a link in here. You can just book a strategy session. It's free. Come and talk to me and we'll figure out what's going on with you specifically, and I can answer any of your questions and if I can help you. And if you want me to help you, then I will. All right, so the difference between a revocable living trust and a special needs trust. At the end of the day, they're sort of the same thing depending on who is making the trust and the reason that you are making the trust. So I'll sort of use two examples to demonstrate what I'm talking about, and then based on that, you'll probably see what I'm talking about. So I am doing a probate right now, for example, where there was a testamentary trust, which I'm not a fan of, which we can talk about later, but there was a testamentary trust that created a special needs trust for one of the children of the person that died. Okay, so he basically said in his will, when I die, I want to create a special needs trust for my child. Okay, and in that case, when the special needs trust is created, at that point in time, that special needs trust is an irrevocable trust. It is created for a very specific reason. That reason is to provide benefits to that named person without harming them or preventing them from receiving any government benefits that they might be eligible for, okay? The reason that this is set up is because if you're not careful about it, then this scenario can have some pretty dire consequences for your beneficiaries. For example, if someone would get a gift, an inheritance from someone of, it depends on the amount, but let's say it's $10,000. And that money goes specifically to the person, and that person is currently on or utilizing or using government benefits, that can affect the math and the criteria and their ability to qualify for those benefits for years. Okay, so it can really hurt you for a really, really long time. And so the special needs trust was created so that people could leave their assets to their people, right, to the people that they love, without affecting their eligibility for their government benefits. And so what the special needs trust basically says is, I want this person to receive this money in a way that does not affect their eligibility for these benefits. And there are many, many different things that you can buy or purchase or buy on behalf of the person that they can then use to sort of enhance their quality of life without affecting their government benefits. Okay, so that's one. And then the second thing is, the second way that it can work is if you are the creator of the trust, then really nothing happens until you die. Okay, so I also have a client that wanted to create a special needs trust for his mother. Okay, so that if he died before his mother passed, then this trust would be created for her, but it would be created in a way that it would not affect anything that she would be eligible for. And while he is alive, because it is a revocable living trust, there's not really anything that's going on. Everything passes through to him. There are no tax consequences. There are no tax advantages. There are no asset protection advantages. And there is maximum flexibility, sort of all of the things that you get with a traditional revocable living trust, except that when he's gone, once he dies, then that special needs trust provision sort of kicks in and is there for his mother if it's needed and if she is on benefits at that time. So that's sort of a general answer to the question. I know that I don't think you guys can see what the question was from the person, but it was actually quite a specific question, and those questions are usually very difficult to answer sort of generally, because you have to dive in, you actually have to do some work. So hopefully this helped you. Hopefully this helped all the rest of you out there. If you have someone in your life that has special needs, and this can be, oh man, all kinds of different things. It can be basically anything that would make you eligible for some sort of a disability benefit, some sort of a Medicaid benefit. I mean, anything like that, you really want to consider doing and creating a special needs trust if you have the option. Okay. If you want to know more, again, please feel free to reach out. The link is here. It's cmslawfirm.com/strategy session. Just click it, book a time, and I'll talk. And if I can help you, I can. If I can't, I will send you to somebody that can. But in any event, on a side note, if you liked this video, if you enjoyed it, if you got some helpful information, please hit the like button. If you know anybody that needs this information, that has someone in their family that may have special needs of some kind, please share this with them. That'd be great. All right. Otherwise, I'm Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. Thank you so much for being here. I hope this was some helpful information, provided some value to you, and sort of helped you just understand the way that all this process works. All right. That is it. Good luck with Snowmageddon. I know we need it, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. All right.